Hi, Paul Hefty here with the Triangle O football system. I want to talk about our slow middle screen. We call it a swing read screen pass option. I'm going to do a quick overview, but if you want to talk to me more or have questions, you can see the link to my website and my email there. This is something Penn State ran very successfully to their very talented tight end / H-back Tyler Warren in 2024, and you see a link to a video of it being run also. One thing we've done in the system is we have the ability to throw this to the H-back or a slot receiver or your A receiver or your Z. Let's take a look. So first we'll run our H-back middle slow screen out of a 2x2 set. Lato means we're going left, Robo means we're going right. What's going to happen here, though, you can see we've got the H-back in the back set to the left, so we're going to call this away to the right. This tells our linemen, again, with all of our faster slow screens, the tackles are big on big, with the tackles on a slow screen kick-stepping and dropping to invite those defensive ends upfield. The guard center guard are the pullers. In this, again, it's slow, so they're going to pass pro for a 3 count, but here's the exception. They're going to release with the play side or the right guard here going to the Sam, the center to the Mike, and the backside or left guard to the Will. Quarterback is going to go ahead and read that backside Mr. Zero that's circled. If the back gets outside leverage or that Mr. Zero blitzes, then he'll just turn and throw a hot swing right now. If Mr. Zero does anything else, then he'll take a 3-step drop and find the H for the middle screen. The H or slot receiver is going to burst outside as if he's running a flats route for 3 steps and then plant and come back, making sure he's behind the line of scrimmage and find an open window in the middle. Once he catches the ball, he wants to go straight north and south and just pick up those lead blocks by the guard center guard, just like a good old isolation. We can run this then next out of a 3x1. You can see nothing changes. We'll run this away from the 3 receiver side. Same rules. Z, A, and X are all bongo blocking. One key point, we like that A receiver to also burst 3 steps outside to get great leverage and to invite that Mr. Zero outside. Again, quarterback's going to go ahead and read Mr. Zero. He blitzes or we get great outside leverage now, he'll just throw it. If not, 3-step drop, find the H on the burst, and then back to the middle with the guard center guard after the 3 elephant count, blocking the Mike, the Sam, and the Will. Next, we have the ability to run our middle slow screen to our A slot receiver out of a 2x2. You can see everything stays the same. The line's using their same blocking rules and timing. The back, again, will swing away from the call. Quarterback is going to go ahead and read that backside Mr. Zero again. If he blitzes or we get leverage, we throw it. If not, he's going to go ahead and take his 3-step drop and now find the A receiver coming straight in behind the line of scrimmage for that opening in the middle. We can also run this out of 3x1. Again, we're going to call this away from the 3 receiver side. Now the H as the blocker, again, wants to burst to get outside leverage. Quarterback still reads a hot swing to the A in the middle. Last, we have the ability to run the middle slow screen to our Z receiver. Key point, we need to do this from a stack set. So first from the 2x2, we're going to run this away from the Z receiver. The back will swing weak. Quarterback again reading that Mr. Zero. Mr. Zero blitzes, we'll throw the hot swing. If not, then a 3-step drop and finding the Z in the middle. Everything's the same for the lineman on the blocking and the timing, and the A and the H and the X are blocking on the perimeter. Again, we can run this Z receiver from a 3x1, but it must be in a stack set. So just like before, we're going to call it away from the 3 receivers, but swing that back on the backside, reading the Mr. Zero. He blitzes, we'll hit him hot. Key point here, the H or the S needs to burst outside to gain leverage with his blocking. If not, then the quarterback will take his 3-step drop, look for the Z in the middle, and we're off again. You can see now we've got a simple and consistent way to block it, read it, but get the ball to our H our A or our Z. Thanks.